So I'm going to show you my cleaning routine and how I clean and disinfect between massage clients. So the first thing I do is I take just a soap-based cleaner and I spray down all the surfaces, the doorknobs, the light switch, the handle for the face cradle, underneath my stool, the chair, with the soap-based cleaner. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is just spray down everything. Then I wipe down all those surfaces that I have just sprayed. Next, I spray with a disinfectant. So I've been using Audubon's lately, and I make sure it's a 10-minute dwell time. So I spray everything and leave it on for 10 minutes before I wipe everything down. So that's what I'm going to do next.